Hey there, welcome to the Uteach knowledge base. We are happy to announce that we have added a new exciting feature, quiz folders. Quiz folders allow you to organize and reuse your quiz questions across different quizzes. This guide explains how to create quiz folders, add questions, and use them while creating or editing quizzes. Step 1. Creating a quiz folder and adding questions on it. From your dashboard, go to the Teaching Materials, Quizzes. Click on Quiz Folders. Here you see the list of your created folders. Click Create a new folder, enter your folder name and a description if needed. Then click Save. Your new folder will now appear in the list. Use the folder icon under Actions to view its content. Inside the folder, click Create New Question. Fill in your question text. Select Answer Type. We have the following answer types. Choose Correct Answer. If needed, add a question explanation. Choose Tag if needed, then click Save. And you will see your created questions here. Part 2. Using quiz folders when creating or editing quiz. For that, go to Teaching Materials, Quizzes. Either click Create New Quiz or edit an existing one. I will go with editing the quiz. In the quiz setup, you will be asked how to add questions. You have two options. You can create a new question from scratch and you can add from the quiz folder. If creating a new question, click on it, add your question, select answer type, add your answers, choose correct answer, choose tag. You can add your newly created question to the folder, or you can create a new quiz folder by clicking the link below. You will create a new folder, go back to the quiz question setup, click refresh icon to see the newly created folder. In the list, choose the folder, then add new question. If you want to add the question from the quiz folder, go with second option. Select quiz folder, select questions, and you will see the question is again here. You can choose another folder, for example this one. Choose question, click on add from another quiz folder. From the same folder, you can choose more than one question. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips.